Join Rakesh Rajkot on a peaceful escape to Polo Forest, where history meets nature. Highlights 15th century temples hidden in the forest. Scenic treks through lush greenery. Calm vibes, perfect for yoga relaxation. Wildlife spotting, bird watching. Trekking, cycling, camping fun. Near Vijayanagar, Sabarkantha, a quiet gem just 150 km from Ahmedabad.